Farewell, O Queen of the heavens, Mother of the Savior, lovely and sweetest proof of love that springs from my heart. I admire the beauty of your heavenly face, the beauty that has no compare. Allow me always to kiss the sole of your foot, to prove my devotion to you. Don't let me astray from you, Mary. Don't let it happen to me. I give you my whole heart, bless me and protect me. Farewell, O delight of heaven above, Mary, sweet lady and fount of love. Goodbye, O Mother, dearest Mother. Goodbye, Mary, bless me. Goodbye, goodbye, Mary, bless me. Goodbye, goodbye,